Now let's work with custom controls and Graphite clips. So opening up Graphite, we've got our clip browser, but we've also gone and we've built a couple of playlists. Now what we want to do is we want to build custom controls that can manipulate both elements that are in the playlist or sequencer element, as well as directly drive a specific clip. We can queue clips via the name right out of the clip browser, so we don't even have to bring them into the sequencer or create a take ID. Let's first look at queuing a clip by name. When we go into our editor and we grab one of our custom controls, so we'll go bank to custom one. So now we want to modify that event list. We're going to go to devices, we're going to go to video server, and we're going to use the queue command. So here, what we're going to do is we make sure to pick the correct device. There's only one. And we're going to queue specifically to channel 1. What we're able to do is type in the name. So we're going to go ahead and have this one queue up the planes clip. And I insert that event. Now, again, to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and also put it on the preset bus so that we don't have to do that manually. We're going to add another event, and we're just going to jump back to the bottom crumble, jump to switcher, bus source, ME2, the preset bus, and we're going to pick our clip 1 channel. So go ahead and insert that event as well. Plane on channel 1. Let's go ahead and copy this to 2. Come here, change it to channel 2, and do a replace. Then we're also going to take our clip 1, change the clip 2, and replace that function as well. Let's build something similar for the SNY event as well. So again, we can grab this, click on copy, we'll go to there, and we'll go ahead and copy it to that location, and we'll call it SNY channel 1. So we type in our clip name to match, and we go ahead and we hit the replace command. So let's go ahead and copy that, copy it. It's now going to be to channel 2. We're going to change to channel 2, and we are going to replace that event. Double click on our bus source, change that to clip 2 as well, and replace that. Now that those are done, what we can see when we queue this event, so we run planes queue it to channel 1, it's going to queue that up for us and put channel 1 on preset. The slate feature that we have here for show slate is kind of unique in that it's going to actually in real time generate a slate for us on top of the first frame of video. So here we see that it's the plane clip for a total duration of 1726. From our switcher panel, when we go ahead and we now take that to air with our roll clip enabled, it will cut this slate off, perform the cut, roll the clip, and then take it to air. And there's our clip running away. So now we want to queue up the SNY to have it ready, but on channel 2. So we select SNY on channel 2. So now we have our SNY on channel 2. It's queued up, it's ready to go, and we can just hit the auto trans at any time to move to our SNY on channel 2. If we press it on channel 1, we get it on channel 1, and then we can also go ahead and do the auto transition again, and it will transition between the two and roll the clip. If we use the plane on channel 2, it goes ahead, queues it up for us so it's ready to go, and then we just simply send the auto trans from the switcher, and it'll roll it and dissolve it automatically for us. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to queue our playlists anytime that we want. So what we're referring to here is I have these two playlists I've built that I'm going to be rolling out of channel 1. Playlist B will load onto server channel 2. Playlist A loads on to server channel 1. To build a playlist, we're instead going to use the take ID. Take IDs could also be used for individual clips. So let's build one of each really quick. Jumping back into our panel, we're going to go into our editor. We're going to copy this custom control. And I'll just put it here for now. We'll copy it there. So now we're just going to call it A for playlist A to channel 1. We're going to use a take ID. For the take ID, we put in the angle bracket or triangle bracket, left side, whatever you call it, and we type in take ID 5000. Go ahead, and there it is. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to replace that event by pressing the replace. So it will now replace our queue clip with a queue of a take ID. Let's take the SNY clip queuing to channel 2. Instead, we'll use a take ID to queue it to channel 2. Take ID 8, and take ID 8 will reassign to channel 1. So here I've come in and I've reassigned it to channel 1. Let's go ahead and copy this, and we'll go ahead and we'll put it in 11. So we go ahead and put in the bracket, the T, take ID 8, and we'll go ahead and we'll replace that value. So now that it's been replaced and it's channel 2, we click done. You'll see that group A playlist is now loaded inside of the server channel. We call up take ID to channel 12. You'll notice that it did exactly what was expected. Recalled to channel 2, changed it, and it brought it, gave us our slate so that that take ID is ready to go. And as soon as we transition it to air, it'll go to air and it starts to play that take ID. So channel A is ready. Away we go. And now that playlist is rolling in channel A. And as it gets to the end of the planes clip, now it goes ahead and it performs its default transition, which is a dissolve, to transition to the next clip and automatically play that clip. And while this playlist is going, I could on the fly be adding clips into it so that as it runs through, it will just continue to grab those clips and move through them one by one by one. Now, one of the things that we want to remember that all of this is working together. So it is also possible those other custom controls that were created and move that take ID bar to advance and bring in your other graphics while controlling your clips. You have that full flexibility of controlling all of these elements simultaneously as well as controlling them inside of that sequencer. If there's anything else you want us to cover, just send an email to switchers@rossvideo.com and we'll be happy to get with that as soon as we can. All right, well, you guys have a great day.